The new C4 aims at being the most comfortable car on its market. To reach this target, inspired by our customer, we kept in mind all along the project development the Citroën Advanced Comfort for All. We obviously enhance the cocoon feeling. Keeping the Citroën signature, we use the progressive hydraulic cushion, the Citroën suspension coming from C4 Cactus and C5 Aircross, but we also develop new generation of advanced comfort seat with a specific foam that improves absorption of vibration. The Citroën approach is also the Easy for Life technology. It's the reason why the new C4 comes with all the useful driving assistance system. 20 driving aids technology in total, such as the highway driver assist, first step to the autonomous driving, or the head-up display, providing all the essential information in the field of view of the driver. Everything is done for a safer drive. In the central part of the cockpit, a large 10-inch high-definition touchscreen gathers most of the controls. Another innovation is the Citroën Smart Part support. It's a new equipment that allows the co-driver to use his phone or his tab in a comfortable and safe way. Really easy to use, easy to plug, the device is firmly held in case of emergency braking. Comfort is also a question of generous space, and our architect perfectly sized the volume of the car to offer both compactness of the car and roominess for all the passengers. The result, the new C4 offers the best knee clearance for the second row of its market. To enlarge the roominess feeling, the cockpit has been largely cleared, and the panoramic openable sunroof provides brightness. You will be able to enjoy various and very useful storage compartments. A large 380-liter boot welcomes your luggage. A two-position floor allows to have a perfectly flat floor if you fold the rear seat. Comfort is also a question of choice. Depending on each customer's usage or preferences, they could choose between efficient petrol or diesel engine or go to electric. The full electric version, C4 100% electric, has specific features. A rear bumper without exhaust pipe, new alloy wheel, specifically developed to reduce noise and vibration furthermore. Some key values about the C4. 100 kilowatt power, comparing to 136 horsepower in traditional energy. An autonomy of 350 kilometers in WLTP and a fast charge that allows to charge 100 kilometers in 10 minutes. With these performances, the C4 is the ideal car for urban drivers and long-distance commuter drivers. To fully enjoy the C4, Citroën developed e-services, fully connected with the car. Thanks to the C4, a journey time becomes a relaxing break. It's an augmented comfort with silence, smooth drive, strong acceleration. The Citroën E Advanced Comfort. I love it, and I'm sure you will.